Okay guys, welcome back for another video. I am Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today's going to be another hair tutorial. Now I know I look a little bit like Rick James with no forehead, but this is the wig here. This one comes courtesy of Xrsbeauty. You guys know I've worked with this company a couple of times. The packaging is super awesome. It comes with a bow wrapped around it, but of course I have the wig on, so obviously I already unboxed the wig. Inside of the packaging you get these lashes, which you guys have been complimenting me on my lashes, and they actually are these. I have a couple packs of these already, and I've actually been wearing them. Also in my box is a couple of stuff. You have a wide tooth comb, you have some little duckbill clips, you have the adjustable, or yeah, like a bra strap style elastic band, your baby hairbrush, as well as some flexi rods. Okay, so let's get into this wig. I know I look crazy, but this wig is actually very beautiful. I went ahead and
put the chair upside down. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so let's get straight into the wig. She's already on my head. I went ahead and cold washed her and she feels amazing. She's actually very soft. I also love the fact that she's nice and full. This one is 200% density, so I feel like it's going to be super nice and full, especially when it dries. It's also 22 inches in length, and obviously the texture is curly. Another cool thing about this one is it came with that beautiful clear lace that I've been raving about. The hairline is definitely pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. So today's look is going to be my Disney World look. We are taking the kids to Disney World for Diamond's 6th birthday, and I had the idea that I really wanted to do curly hair for this trip, just because I feel like you don't really need any hot tools. Once the wig is installed and bonded down, I'll be able to, you know, not have to worry about like curling anything in the mornings. I can kind of just put it in my little twist and put my elastic band and my bonnet on at night, and then when I wake up I can kind of just put a little water in it and go, and that should get me through the trip. So I'm going to go ahead and install her with you guys. You guys know the drill. It's super simple and easy to install. For those who are beginners, I will say that it is more so mind over the matter. Sometimes it feels like it's super hard to install, or like, you know, you have to be a professional to do so. And my goal here is to make sure that everyone knows how to at least do the basics to install your wigs at home while protecting your hair underneath and not damaging, which is why we do mainly glueless installs here, and hopefully you guys learn a few things. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. For adhesive, what shall we use today? So you guys know I have a couple of options of things that you can use for a glueless install. Typically, mainly you just want to go for an extra hold hairspray. I know that sounds weird if you've never tried it before, but hairspray, you know how when you use it, it kind of gets a little bit sticky and tacky and a little bit hard. Yeah, it works to bond the wig down along the hairline. So I think one of the most popular is the Got to Be Glued spray. This probably is the pioneer in the game and one of the first ones that we discovered here on YouTube. We also love a good gel Got to Be Glued spray. So if you've been following me since day one, you guys know these have been my ride or dies. This was my old school favorite, and this one here is an actual hair gel. It's a stronghold hair gel, and this one is a stronghold hair spray. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I went ahead and did the baby hair, and we're gonna go ahead and let that set. While we do that off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll be back with the look. Okay, so I just beat my face. I did like a little 10-15 minute face look. Really don't feel like wearing lashes today, so I'll probably just add a little bit of mascara. But I just removed the elastic band and the camera cut off, so I'm not sure if I was recording or not. But if I'm not, I just removed it, and then I buffed just a little bit of powder around the hairline just to match where the band was sitting. I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder to the hairline. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I go ahead and do like a heatless install, meaning not adding any heat here. And you kind of see I'm giving lion vibes. It has no kind of nothing over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just flatten it out a little bit, and you're going to see the big difference that it makes. This is the finished look. I went ahead and stamped out a center part, but I really don't want to wear it center parted, if that's a word. I want to be able to kind of like flip it over and have fun with it, and I think I executed it very well. As I mentioned, this one is a heavy density wig. It's 200% density, which I love. It's sometimes nice to switch it up. Sometimes I want curly, but I just kind of want to keep it simple so it's not too heavy on me. But you know, curly is supposed to go big or go home, right? It has an extended parting space, so you definitely will be able to show out with that. The parting here on the sides, so you can't make it like a deep side part. It is like a frontal wig, but there's also a closure wig, if that makes any sense. So here we have frontal from ear to ear, as you guys seen, but when it comes to parting space in the back, it is from here to about right here. So you know, you got to work with what you got. But for me, I'm typically more of a center part kind of girl, so it's very simple, very easy, and I really don't have to worry about much. I feel like a lot of the times I'll say I want to have the versatility to be able to do a deep side part or do this or do that or put it into ponytails or whatever the case may be. But when it's all said and done and I install the wig and actually wear it, I seldom switch it up. You know, I keep my center part and I keep it pushing. So I'm absolutely loving this one. The clear lace looks awesome. I did not touch it up. Typically after I am done setting it with the elastic band, I'll go back in with the comb and kind of like comb it out and then redo it so that it looks more smooth. But today I just didn't feel it was necessary. It's fun, it's flirty, and it's giving. Make sure you guys check out Xrsbeauty. I absolutely love their wigs. The clear lace is bomb and poppin' and seamless and all of that. And as you guys already know, I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, share this video, turn on your post notifications, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!